In this lesson, we will solve question number 2 of exercise number 1.1. So see, the question is the solution of equation this one. You have to solve this equation, then at the end we have to find out which answer is correct. So this is our solution. So as I have told you that if you have in front of the parenthesis any constant number or any variable, whatever you have to multiply. This is called identity. 4 2 times 8 minus 4x plus 3 2 times 6, it is 6x minus 3 equal to 6. So see, this is negative 4x. Negative 4x will remain same on the left hand side. Positive 6x will remains the same. We do not have any x on the right hand side. So on the right hand side we have 6. Then this is the positive 8. Take the transpose. It will be negative 8. This is negative 3. Take the transpose. It will be positive. So negative 4x plus 2x, which is equal to 2x. Here is 9. This is positive. This is positive. 9 minus 1, which is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 over 2. So where is 1 over 2? This one is the 1 over 2, and this is our answer. See how simple it is. If you know the way how to solve the linear equation, you can find out the MCQs and whatever. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.